everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm super excited to show you this quick, easy and simple plant-based milk, which is hemp seed milk, and it's really nutritious, good for you, good for the planet, and also good for the animals. Actually living for this little bottle and jar set. That was basically what inspired this recipe, guys. Really simple and easy to create. And in this video, I'm also going to share with you how to create your own date syrup. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. First thing we're going to do is take our organic hemp seeds. Most people like to use the hulled version, but as you can probably tell, I'm not most people. Tag weird. Or maybe unique. Anyways, guys, so the hulled version is basically like the shelled version. So this, you can purchase that one or you can purchase the whole nut. This version makes the milk a little bit stronger, and yeah, so you can purchase that one or the other one. It's entirely up to you. And I'm just putting in some spring water and we're going to let that sit 24 hours overnight. Soften the seeds. Now the next day, guys, and they've been sitting overnight. Next part, we have an option. We can use organic agave, which is derived from a Mexican plant. This is just going to sweeten the milk, or we can use dates to create our own date syrup. So I'm going to quickly show you how to create your own date syrup. It's both really good sweeteners as they're non-refined, obviously, and they also are low glycemic index, so they're good for people who are who suffer from diabetes and stuff. I'm going to add in a little bit spring water and we're going to bring it to boil. Dates are really high in antioxidants. They can be good for blood sugar balance. Diabetes researchers have shown that dates have low glycemic impact. They can also reduce blood pressure, and they're a brain booster, guys, and who doesn't need a brain booster? So we're just going to leave them to boil. And guys, these literally smell so divine. They remind me of, like, do you know that smell when you walk into a baker's? They smell so sweet, like, and beautiful when they boil. They don't really take long to boil, just like a few minutes, and you'll know once they're done because they become really soft. I'm just basically removing the seeds like so. Once that's done, I know it looks horrible, guys. We're going to now add it to our blending cup and blend it to create our syrup. I'm just letting them smell it because it smells so good, like a bakery shop. Adding in some spring water, not too much as you want to keep it quite thick, your syrup. This is how it looks once it's done, lovely and smooth. Looks like poo, right? I don't want to put you guys off. Oh my gosh, I wish I didn't say that. It literally tastes delicious, and you can use this for baking to sweeten your milk. So anyways, back to the milk, guys. First thing we're going to do is we're going to strain our little hemp seeds. So we're just going to drain the water that they've soaked in overnight. And yes, guys, I'm wearing a jacket. That's because I live in the UK and the weather sucks. And yes, it is the British summer, so sucks. I'm totally like a fan of hot countries. So once that's done, we're just going to add some spring water. I know, guys, this plastic bottle is so bad for the environment, but I don't know what else to do because I can't drink tap water. So, but it's recyclable as well, so I don't know, guys. Decisions. I'm really trying to like cut back on all my plastic. When I've been going out, I've been literally taking my own bags. I refuse because, oh my gosh, Jasmine, shut up. Anyways, let me tell you what I'm doing here. I'm getting organic sea salt and I'm just sprinkling it just a tiny amount. And then I'm just going to take the organic agave or the date syrup if you make date syrup like I showed you earlier. So yeah. Depending on how sweet you like your milk, obviously that's going to be how much you should add of this. And also guys, side note, I just want to say, I just do this roughly. I do everything rough. I don't really like to measure. I feel like life's not that serious. It's just basically depending on how hempy you want. I just made that word up. Depending on how hemp flavor you want your milk to taste, then obviously add in less water, more hemp seeds. Common sense, isn't it? So it's the same. And I just basically like to add as much water just to fill the jar. So yeah, now I'm just going to stick this onto the blender. And the good thing about this as well is you can always tweak it to your preference. So is add in less, that way you can always add more. We did it guys, we turned water into hemp milk. Last but not least, we just have to strain it through like so. I use my little strainer that I purchased to make all my herbal teas. And also guys, if you want to check out my herbal teas and all the benefits within the body, it's also on my channel. Please do. I would love if you would check those videos out. And I believe that true beauty starts from within. It always does. Like what's on the inside is what matters most. What I'm doing is the extra lumps, I'm just taking them and I'm just throwing them. But you can also add these into your baking if you want to keep them. Or if you're creating like Brazil nuts milk, you could add, like you can turn them into cheese, which is very interesting indeed. You can basically create your own walnut or Brazil nut cheese after making the milk. So this like clumpy stuff, you just turn it into cheese, but not with, well yeah, actually with hemp seed as well. But I think because I'm using not the hulled version, I can't do this. So that's why I'm just throwing it, guys. I know it sounds confusing, but it's really not. Hey guys, I actually recommend using the hulled version. It's probably better. Like, I'm just using this seeded one because that's what I had in my cupboard. So, yeah. Adding in a little bit more date syrup because I know Tyrese likes his milk to be quite sweet. So yeah, I added in a lot. Oh my gosh. It's full of antioxidants though, so hey. Just gonna give this one last final blast on the blender. Oh my gosh, this milk came out so sweet. Can you guess why? Like, I literally need to stop. Guys, I just want to say this milk should last up to 3 to 4 days in the fridge. That's why I don't make too much. Aye, guys, you will know when it goes bad. We're just gonna pour it into our cute little bottle, like so. You basically have it full of essential minerals and vitamins to literally heal your body from within. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you for clicking on my channel. It literally means the world to me. I cannot thank you guys enough. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I think we're gonna do the taste test with Tyrese and Caden, but I might just save it for my next video because my next video is a healthy and nutritious cereal video to go with your hemp seed milk. So then I think we might just do the taste test then. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next upload. You stay tuned if you want to find out how to create your very own healthy cereal to go with the hemp milk. And yeah, spreading peace and love until next time, guys. See you in my next upload.